rate Alkaline still. The music bad, but...
So what if he wants to clash you? If he wants to clash you, would you clash him?
Winford, right now. On that stage, right, yes, sir.
A few moments later.
If they never kill that brother.
Somebody asked what I think about Masicka and Alkaline. Well, Masicka is a good artist, and Masicka is way more consistent in music than Alkaline. But Masicka haven't done what Alkaline have done yet in dancehall. And
A Masicka and Alkaline clash would be entertaining, but it also comes with risk for both of the artists.
Alkaline stamp him name in the game where he's far above Idonia. And funnily, me tell you say, you see if Masicka no clash Alkaline, them aga always see Masicka below Alkaline.
People, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Inside. We Nando, you know it's your boss, Nando in our building. So, I see some rounds I make on the internet, some snippets and some pictures where people are asked the question, where Masicka there? It's like Masicka call up all the crooks, gone back on the river, gone hide out or something, because the last time we see Masicka preview some video with a song called Mute, and a be a preview after that, you see Masicka preview is like, he's nowhere to be found. He's that kind of guy who always drop songs when the year almost done, like December, and then you hear everybody say, yo, him take the year and so forth. But people ask, where Masicka there? Because them a put him up against Alkaline right now. I say, yo, if him not clash Alkaline, it's like him a go forever be beneath Alkaline. Alkaline always above him, because you know say Alkaline doing new rules over England, and the name not stop ringing in the media. Vibes Cartel name are ringing in the media because they know Vibes Cartel do film Barclays Center show. So right now currently you know say the Alkaline and the Cartel name I make the rounds in the media, but people are questioning and speculate and say, yo, where Masicka there? Masicka can't be found. From Vibes Cartel drop a road, Masicka get cool up. And if him not clash Alkaline, if him can never declare and say, yo, him better than this artist or him better than that the artist. Because remember, a while back him drop a song with TG, say, yo, him knock out the heavyweight champion, and many people have it in themselves and say, yo, this young man ain't knock out nobody. Which heavyweight champion him knock out? I remember Alkaline did say, yo, me are the champion boy. And so people I wonder say, what Masicka talk about? This a man always come out and say, my baddest thing Jamaica ever see, and rare, but yet he's yet to show his true talent or battle tested in a clash or something. But you know, a lot of people are saying that the clash culture dead, and Alkaline was the last to prove that the clash culture dead, because him constantly show say, yo, him bad, but nobody no want to test him. And Alkaline been a show that say, yo, I'm going to wall it, I'm toe-to-toe with wall heap artists, I go back-to-back with clash, I go up against artists and the artists them a run. So we see where Masicka one of the artists them run, because him say no rate Alkaline, and then Alkaline tell him, say, if you no rate me, war me then. And Alkaline send so much shots at him, and we not see nothing. So now, Vibes Cartel they are road, you know the old comparison and the old debate about Alkaline and Cartel, and Masicka is out of the picture. So we have some clippings more share with you with some people, I state them point and I make them all synopsis as it pertains to Masicka and where him there, and if him now go jump out to prove himself. But before further ado, all I want to do for me, I make sure so you like the video, comment on the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure so that post notification bell is on, so whenever I drop a new video, you get the latest drop whenever I drop. So stick around, stay tuned, and don't move a muscle. Mad. So me have Nico Fire as a people, and he must say some things as it pertains to Masicka and Alkaline. What he must say is that Masicka may consistent, but him not do what Alkaline do yet in a dancehall, and me definitely have to agree with that, because Masicka will drop some hits and so forth, but him not really prove himself like that to say, yeah, you are declared say you're the man, or you are declared say you're up there, or whatever, but he is yet to prove the point say, yo, him are the man, or he's yet to prove say him can be battle tested in a dancehall, because we hear him go about and say, yo, him do this and him do that, and the people and artists nibble on him name and so forth. But currently we see where Vibes Cartel released from prison, we not hear nothing from him. him is like, me don't know, me not gonna really say him call up, but we not really hear nothing from him. I will remember, remember, you know, him not really have a column in a dancer like that, you know. Not gonna say him not there yet, or him not get there yet, but him not make a column in a dancehall yet. So people are say, yo, he is yet to prove, say, on a cartel fans, him a rely upon, or him have him own fan base, or for sure prove. Because you know, dancehall is a competitive so, but he's yet to prove, and people are wonder what I got happen. But listen what Nico Fire for say.
Somebody asked what I think about Masicka and Alkaline. Well, Masicka is a good artist, and Masicka is way more consistent in music than Alkaline. But Masicka haven't done what Alkaline have done yet in dancehall. And Alkaline is still a bigger star than Masicka. That's my take. And I don't thought that based on emotions, I thought that based on actual numbers and things that have been proven. So, Alkaline is a bigger artist than Masicka. However, Masicka is a more consistent artist than Alkaline. And let me left it right there, so.
So yeah, that a Nico Fire, you know, and I have to say what I say now, as we must say him. Our statistics show why him state where him state. So I could jump to another part with the lady, you know. She has say what she have to say as it pertains to Masicka and the clash and Alkaline with the clash debate. Because trust me, a clash would be good to see between the two, but it currently we not see that go happen anytime soon. Cause me would say Masicka a run, or me would say Masicka I try. Me don't know where I do, but currently we not see him active in a game like that. But you know him drop songs whenever. But him is a man who I notice still is a man who drop song when the year almost finished. Me don't know if I true the label him signed to whatever make him take long for drop music. But you don't know dancehall is a fast paced music, so you have to put in the work and you have to stay consistent within the eyes of the people. But make we hear what the lady I say.
Doubt a Masicka and Alkaline clash would be entertaining, but it also comes with risk for both of the artists. Let's break down why. Now, unlike a clash with an older artist and an up-and-coming artist, this would be a direct battle between two artists at their peak. And from a PR perspective, it would force fans to choose a side, which would cause intense debates online. But I think I don't think they need for clash because it's not going to benefit none of them. I think clashes are for up-and-coming artists who are trying to make a name in a dancehall. Masicka and Alkaline already have established careers. If one of them loses badly, it could hurt their reputation. But if Masicka lose, people might say, you know, he's not as lyrical as we thought he was. And if Alkaline lose, people might say, you know, this man never depend on the level we think him depend. I think right now both artists are focused on growth. You know, Masicka has been building his international presence, especially after 438 and Alkaline, despite being reclusive, still has a strong international.
So as what the lady is saying, she has share fair point. But my point is that over the years we've seen clashes, right? And clashes never mash up an artist's career. Only time a clash mash up an artist's career unless you bug out of the clash or unless the clash prematurely end unexpectedly, or you know. For say, yo, because over the years we see Mavada and Cartel clash and we see numerous clashes and the clash build the artist's career. We see Alkaline and Squash did clash, but because it ended me prematurely, and even that never really tarnished the artist them or damaged the artist them career. The Squash and the Alkaline clash did go on. Squash did go about females and Alkaline go about females. But we see where Squash did find its song same way. And we see where Alkaline did find its song also, even in a 2020 when Alkaline find Cree and some other songs like Ocean Wave and some bigger songs, and Squash do the same way and find Big Breeze. So when the lady I share for her parents and I say, yo, the clash should not think it is benefiting for the two artists them because them already have a fan base and them already make them name, and she thinks that yo, clashes for artists where just a bus and I try to make them name. But we see where artists clash and it build them career. They are getting exposure to new fan base, new platforms and so forth. So what she has said, I agree with that point. But me have this brother here where I say something and they must say, yo, Alkaline and Masicka, if Masicka not clash Alkaline I go forever be above him. So me I go play the clippings. I want to tell me one thing with the way the brother say if you agree with some of the things them. Because me definitely agree with him, you know. Because he must say Idonia was supposed to be the one after Vibes Cartel when time Vibes Cartel go behind bars. And we see where Idonia kind of lazy out the thing. Him become a family man. Him not really to find much interest in our music. to run the game or whatever, or I guess him never had that type they would think him want to run the game or so forth. But you know, we as the fans, we have our own perspective as it pertains to the artists and what would I expect from them. But may we play with the video where the brother say, I want to tell more anything, show the thoughts in the comments.
Top of the morning. Every day above ground is a blessing. Always remember that. So chat. So I see Shabba Ranks' friend asks him a question. Who are the two best dancehall artists out there now? See? And Shabba Ranks say Vybz Kartel and Busy Signal. The two main name him call. And him start name some other name until him name Alkaline name. And me there think, you know, and me there think to myself, and I said to myself, say, yo, you see Alkaline name always I go call. You see Alkaline sure say he was battle tested. See? You see Alkaline prove himself say him there so for stay. And I tell my virgin this yesterday say, you see what Shabba Rankin say? A real talk Shabba Rankin say, you know. Yeah man. And one of the realest talk that Shabba Rankin say when him say Alkaline. And the funny thing about it, him name Vybz Kartel, him name Busy Signal, and him name Movado, him name the Bounty Killer in a generational, see? But who for name else you hear him no call? Eh? You don't hear him call Idonia name. You don't hear him call Masicka name. You know say, when you look upon it, Idonia should be above Alkaline. And look upon that. Alkaline stamp him name in the game where he's way above Idonia. Yeah man. Alkaline stamp him name in the game where he's far above Idonia. And funnily, me tell you say, you see if Masicka no clash Alkaline, them aga always see Masicka below Alkaline. Because Alkaline is battle tested. Was battle tested. Masicka all know him no battle tested, none at all. And if Masicka no clash Alkaline name aga always be above. Alkaline name aga always be above a Masicka name. Me I tell you. Anyhow Masicka no clash Alkaline name aga always be above a Masicka. Yeah man. Always. Because Alkaline was battle tested and Alkaline proved himself say him can go up against giants. So you see all of them gunman song, listen me. You see all of them gunman song where Masicka sing. When me hear them gunman song where Masicka sing, me just say, yeah man, that song ya bad, and that's all. When me hear them, me say, yeah man, that song ya bad, and not no more. Me not believe in the song because, as me say, Masicka no prove to me, and him no prove to the crowd, say him can hold a clash against a giant. And Alkaline say, if Alkaline go as far as to tell him say, war me no, if you no rate me, war me. And I'll know him can't war Alkaline. Masicka do a song with TJ. And him say him liquid the champion. But him not liquid the champion. Because before you can liquid the champion, you have to clash the champion. Him just a send subliminal shot to the champion. Alkaline alone call himself the champion boy. But he not liquid the champion none at all. No. Subliminal shot. So that's why I tell you say, Masicka, him have the theory, but him not have the practical. Yeah man. Masicka have the theory because Masicka full of lyrics. Yeah? Masicka full of lyrics in a music, but practical, battle tested, him not show the people them say, yo, him can clash. You see me? Alkaline show the people them say, he is battle tested. Yeah, and him go up against giants. Masicka not do that, and me I tell you say, if Masicka do not clash Alkaline, Alkaline name aga always be above a Masicka. Yeah, man. Me aga always have Alkaline, and people aga always have Alkaline above a Masicka. Because me not tell a lie, as much as Masicka sing right now, it come like me still have Masicka as an underground artist. Yeah. Him a fire hits and hits and hits, you know. But when him sing a gun song, me I say, yeah man, that song that bad. And that's it. It's like me not believing in the gun song because like me say, him not clash. You see what me I say? Because clashing, they can make up a song and put it in the studio and send it out there on the radio, you know. But clashing for counteract a song are the hard part that. Yeah man. For counteract a song, you know, are the hard part that. But me like Shabba. Me like what Shabba says still. Big up yourself, Shabba. Yeah, man. The emperor himself. Yeah, man. Them man they do it enough for dancehall, you know. Yeah, man. Them man they sacrifice in career for dancehall, you know. Yeah. Big up Shabba Ranks. One of the greatest. One of the greatest them out there. You can't deny that. Yeah. Shabba Ranks put him career out there for dancehall. And enough little youths come and mash up dancehall. Yeah. And Shabba put him career out there for dancehall. When Shabba Ranks say, yo, a man to woman and woman to man are the right way. And when Shabba Ranks go say that go mash up him career. But to we, Shabba Ranks career no mash up. No. But it put a damp in him career. Yeah. But Masicka, you have to go clash Alkaline because me I tell you say, if you not clash a Alkaline, Alkaline aga always be above you. I mean, I tell you that. Because look there. Alkaline have him crew Vendetta. Masicka have him crew. Most of Masicka crew are Gaza. Yeah? Masicka na have a movements. Most of Masicka movements are Gaza. Yeah, man. Alkaline have Vendetta. Yeah? So me I tell you, and look there, Idonia. You wouldn't think so Idonia wouldn't they way up at top. But Alkaline name bigger than Idonia. Yeah. Alkaline stamp him name in the game so big. When the man fly around Idonia, come on, you can't deny it. You can't deny it none at all. But Masicka, you have to clash Alkaline because me I tell you, Shabba not even call a name. And me know the crux. Me know the crux them vex. Yeah. Me know the crux them vex or Shabba not call Masicka name. But you have to go test the man. You have to go war the man. You have to go clash the man for sure people say, yo, you're better than that youth, yeah. But for now, Alkaline they we above your brother.
So on the hear what the brother is saying to people, make me know what you think in the comment section if you don't agree with the points them we might make as it pertains to Masicka and Alkaline. And again, you know, our vibes and insight with Nanda with another clippings. Make me know what you think. If you don't like the vlog, if you don't like all of them thoughts how the people must share as it pertains to the artist them. But you know it go already, man. It's a short clip now, too dry, too long. You know it go already, man. Our vibes and insight with Nanda with another clip. I'm out. Peace.